मैं चाय पीना चाहूंगा। I would like to drink tea. I would like to drink tea. मैं वहां जाना चाहूंगा। I would like to go there. I would like to go there. वह डॉक्टर बनना चाहेगा। He would like to become a doctor. He would like to become a doctor. हम आपसे मिलना चाहेंगे। We would like to meet you. We would like to meet you. क्या आप कॉफी लेना चाहेंगे? Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have coffee? मैं देर तक रुकना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to stay late. I wouldn't like to stay late. वह झूठ बोलना नहीं चाहेगी। She wouldn't like to tell a lie. She wouldn't like to tell a lie. मैं आज बाहर खाना खाना चाहूंगा। I would like to eat outside today. I would like to eat outside today. क्या वे हमारे साथ आना चाहेंगे? Would they like to come with us? Would they like to come with us? मैं उस काम को करना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to do that work. I wouldn't like to do that work. मैं नई कार खरीदना चाहूंगा। I would like to buy a new car. I would like to buy a new car. वह अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहेगी। She would like to learn English. She would like to learn English. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलना चाहोगे? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? मैं किसी को परेशान नहीं करना चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to disturb anyone. I wouldn't like to disturb anyone. हम छुट्टियों पर जाना चाहेंगे। We would like to go on vacation. We would like to go on vacation. वह यहाँ रहना नहीं चाहेगा। He wouldn't like to stay here. He wouldn't like to stay here. मैं आपकी मदद करना चाहूंगा। I would like to help you. I would like to help you. क्या आप कुछ खाना चाहेंगे? Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? वे नया घर खरीदना चाहेंगे। They would like to buy a new house. They would like to buy a new house. मैं यह मौका खोना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to miss this opportunity. I wouldn't like to miss this opportunity. मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूंगा। I would like to talk to you. I would like to talk to you. वह गाना गाना चाहेगी। She would like to sing a song. She would like to sing a song. क्या आप पानी पीना चाहेंगे? Would you like to drink water? Would you like to drink water? मैं अकेला रहना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to stay alone. I wouldn't like to stay alone. हम इस प्रोजेक्ट में काम करना चाहेंगे। We would like to work on this project. We would like to work on this project. वह हारना नहीं चाहेगा। He wouldn't like to lose. He wouldn't like to lose. मैं नई जगह देखना चाहूंगा। I would like to see a new place. I would like to see a new place. क्या वे फिल्म देखना चाहेंगे? Would they like to watch a movie? Would they like to watch a movie? मैं किसी से लड़ना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to fight with anyone. I wouldn't like to fight with anyone. वह विदेश जाना चाहेगी। She would like to go abroad. She would like to go abroad. मैं आपके साथ बैठना चाहूंगा। I would like to sit with you. I would like to sit with you. क्या आप मेरी मदद करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to help me? Would you like to help me? हम समय बर्बाद करना नहीं चाहेंगे। We wouldn't like to waste time. We wouldn't like to waste time. वह नई नौकरी पाना चाहेगा। He would like to get a new job. He would like to get a new job. मैं सच बोलना चाहूंगा। I would like to tell the truth. I would like to tell the truth. वे देर से पहुंचना नहीं चाहेंगे। They wouldn't like to arrive late. They wouldn't like to arrive late. क्या तुम ये किताब पढ़ना चाहोगे? Would you like to read this book? Would you like to read this book? मैं समुद्र देखना चाहूंगा। I would like to see the sea. I would like to see the sea. वह इंतजार करना नहीं चाहेगी। She wouldn't like to wait. She wouldn't like to wait. हम आपके सुझाव सुनना चाहेंगे। We would like to hear your suggestions. We would like to hear your suggestions. मैं एक कप चाय लेना चाहूंगा। I would like to have a cup of tea. I would like to have a cup of tea. क्या आप हमारे मेहमान बनना चाहेंगे? Would you like to be our guest? Would you like to be our guest? वह गलती करना नहीं चाहेगा। He wouldn't like to make a mistake. He wouldn't like to make a mistake. मैं जल्दी उठना चाहूंगा। I would like to get up early. I would like to get up early. वे नई भाषा सीखना चाहेंगे। They would like to learn a new language. They would like to learn a new language. मैं वहां दोबारा जाना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to go there again. I wouldn't like to go there again. क्या आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे? Would you like to ask something? Would you like to ask something? वह शिक्षक बनना चाहेगी। She would like to become a teacher. She would like to become a teacher. हम आपकी राय जानना चाहेंगे। We would like to know your opinion. We would like to know your opinion. मैं अपना समय खराब करना नहीं चाहूंगा। I wouldn't like to waste my time. I wouldn't like to waste my time. मैं आज आराम करना चाहूंगा। I would like to rest today. I would like to rest today. क्या वे हमारे साथ खेलना चाहेंगे? Would they like to play with us? Would they like to play with us? वह भीड़ में जाना नहीं चाहेगी। She wouldn't like to go into a crowd. She wouldn't like to go into a crowd. मैं नई चीजें सीखना चाहूंगा। I would like to learn new things. I would like to learn new things. हम इस विषय पर चर्चा करना चाहेंगे। We would like to discuss this topic. We would like to discuss this topic.